E kaunti ma Nakuru ene obila ma Nakuru omako achije 12 mitudo kod kweth njore mar confirm. Apisago bende noyudo mwandu mopogore moting'o pesa mabandia kod njaga. Kalore kod komanda mar obila Samuel Ndanyi, achijego nomaki e kuonde dak ma Ponda Mali kod Lakeview. Ndanyi ochiwo sim mager ne achije mag njore kod joma timo ohala ma ok opuodhi mondo bed motang' kosingo rido arita e gwenge makono.
Uiname kasha kuchuku.
Ongea sasa kieleweke.
Mpaka dia tu basi.
Serious. Lakini sio nzuri aje.
In Nakuru East, we also had an operation toward the Lakeview areas where we managed to arrest in total 12 suspects who, in connection to the famous illegal gang, the confirmed gang. So six are held in Kaptemba police stations. 6 are held here in Nakuru police station, the famous central police stations. We managed also to get them to get items like the mobile phones, close to 12 of them, knives, dangerous weapons, including knives, and the other assault weapons. So they will be appearing in court tomorrow with the various charges, including preparation to commit a felony. The operation continues, and even now, very many officers are on the ground. We really want to crack on the confirmed